Looking at the meal, could you spot anything special about it? You might thought that's made with the normal vegetables. But is that really the case? Let's change the scenes and discover the ingredients right now. The vegetables are all grown on an experimental farm located in Daejeon, which is operated by our partner, Soil Trust. In addition to using organic fertilizer to plant crops, they cultivate more microorganisms and beneficial bacteria that improve soil quality. As the soil becomes healthier, nutritious fruits and vegetables are produced. What makes regenerative farming special? We use the no-tilling method to minimize soil nuisance, which involves digging into the mud with a board fork. It lifts up the soil slightly, allowing fertilizer and air to penetrate deeper soil. Also, we mulch the soil with dry straws in order to moisture the soil and balance its temperature. By using it, soil erosion and diseases are prevented, which also minimize the growth of weed. Initially, what is the connection between regenerative farming and the meal in the beginning? Gah Zeoi have reshaped and enriched the dining experience by integrating the regenerative farming concepts. In addition to the look, form, and symbolism of our four-course meal, we are committed to using seasonal ingredients and regenerative farming practice, including carbon sequestration in the soil, co-planting, mulching, and no-tilting, as well as keeping the ingredients fresh and reducing carbon emissions in transportation. The menu will be updated with the seasonal crops to activate the user engagement and interest in our dining experience. Not just enjoying the meal, we will introduce the inspiration beforehand to the participants as they will learn about the importance of regenerative farming. After dining, we collect food waste generated during the events by providing opportunities for the participant to touch bokashi ingredients and demonstrating the bokashi making process. As mentioned before, improving soil quality is the ultimate goal of regenerative farming. And bokashi, which can be achieved through a composting method and cultivate the essential probiotics and microorganisms. Unheated food waste can be transformed into fertilizer and nutrients for the soil within the energy cycle, which enhance the ability to resist pests and diseases. The purpose of Gah Zeoi is to raise the public's awareness of regenerative agriculture and soil protection by reshaping the entire dining experience with regenerative farming products. Our team believes that we should reconnect the relationship between consumers, producers, and crops, as well as engaging participants in conscious consumption. Through these events, we hope to show participants that dining is not just about enjoyment of taste buds, but also about consuming the resources of the earth. The manner in which we consume and internalize resources will not only affect our own health, but also our society, the environment, and even the entire planet as a whole.